Well, good morning.
Good morning.
It is Monday. It is day 8 officially of our time here at America's Most Wanted. Technically day 6 of the build.
Yeah, weekend.
But day 8 for us is weekend. So we can go down here, see what the plan is for Sully. I see someone under the Jeep.
It's time to get it started.
I don't know. Time to get gears. We need gears. Ian's over here tidying up some more of the wiring from the lights, and then goes up in the air for gears.
Just a few more wires to add in, and yeah, we'll be going up. Should have the gears ripped out 1 o'clock-ish. Then hopefully Andy will get over here and get it all set up. Or Andy and I should say.
Sweet. All right, we have an errand to run.
Oh look, there's the Jeep right there.
Oh yeah, that's Rosie. That's Rosie. Say hi, Rosie. One of our viewers said, "Hey, that's my Jeep back there." There it is.
And it's on the side. It says combat veteran. So thank you for your service.
So, with the new engine, there is a code that is still there from when I brought it in, because it had a whole lot of codes when I brought it in.
Yeah, I think
it's
it was
a
blowing the code
fuel pressure sensor code. So
Yep.
we're going to run to a Jeep dealership and pick up a new sensor.
Yeah, we gotta go to an Amazon locker at Walmart.
Yeah, we got errands to run.
And so let's do that now, and then I can come back and take pictures of the gears because I've never seen gears.
She's never seen gears. So it'll be a fun day for her. Maybe they'll let you get your hands all greasy.
I'm bound.
Whee!
You're on the fastest route despite slower than usual traffic.
That's because
You'll
it's got
arrive at
snow
10:08
everywhere.
a.m.
AMW was kind enough to loan us a little Mojito Rubicon Gladiator.
Almost like we're in the tropics.
So that so that we don't have to drive our Ross Monster all over town when we're running errands. So super awesome for them.
So yay for not that much salt on our Ross Monster.
Yes, that too. This town, I mean this state,
At the next
I'm
light,
guessing the
turn
whole
left.
northern Midwest place, eats cars for lunch.
Yeah.
The amount of vehicles I have seen in grocery store parking lots with wheel wells just completely eaten away by salt rust.
Oh yeah, you could insert that picture here.
Oh yeah, this is the picture I took at Walmart. Yeah, they're just everywhere. This town or this
At the
state.
light, turn left onto South Center Road.
This
Okay.
region.
Then you'll use the
This
right
region
lane to
eats
take the
cars.
I-69 west road.
Eats cars. It's like nah, 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 nah. Good morning. I believe you have a fuel pressure sensor held for me, Matt McClellan.
All right.
Perfect. That's it. Thank you. Got it.
Yay.
All right, got the needed part, and now we'll head back. This was one of the many codes that Sully had when we got here. All the rest of the codes have gone away. But this one little part takes care of that one. Then Sully be code free.
Yeah, we want to make sure that we leave without codes, just in case anything does pop up. We'll know that that's like
New.
very new.
Yeah.
And we need to address it.
Yeah. I mean, this isn't required to be fixed because
No.
it's just a little sensor.
We could have done it at home.
Ben, I could have done it at home, but I want to, leaving here, making sure everything is in perfect shape is a priority. Why? I made it back. Sully's up in the air. I see diff fluid being drained or about to be drained. Kara's about to get educated on how a regear goes. Learned anything yet?
Yeah. Yeah, oil fluids come out whenever you take all the things off.
Mm-hmm.
They had to remove that because it was all bound up in there.
Yes.
Your fuel tank does not look like anything else underneath it.
Yes.
Your muffler, I mean.
Yes.
Yeah, that's very bright.
It won't take long. It'll get dirty. Well, there's explains why my rear end was screaming. No, wait, that sounds weird. Well, that explains why my rear diff was screaming. One of the teeth. Do you think that's pinion or ring?
I'm pretty sure it's pinion, but
Yeah. I've had the hardest time with pinions in this thing. I'm just convinced that the 513 pinions are too small.
well, yeah, the actual pinion gear itself is really small.
Yeah, not surprised to find. I'm surprised to find an entire tooth missing on the pinion. But the last time I drove it, it was just screaming back there, and I haven't done anything. I haven't done anything since the Rubicon challenging in it, and it wasn't broken then. It just started in the last month making the whine that comes from a rear, that comes from a issue with your rear differential. So not surprised it was a broken tooth off, but glad we're regearing it. Definitely wouldn't want to run that with the 5.7. That would have been a disaster. That pinion is chewed up. I'm surprised I made it home. Well, I just learned something new about having RCVs that I didn't know. That the axles won't come through the knuckle without the boot coming off. And it's a pain in the butt to get off.
Good.
He got it off. Those probably need to be greased.
Yeah, they're a little stiff in the turns.
Well, the pinion is out, and an entire chunk of tooth is missing. Man, I got lucky.
Wow, look at that.
I got really lucky. Actually, the bearings look like they're in decent shape. Huh. Have you been outside?
No, I don't want to go out there.
I did.
Why?
To take the dogs out.
Oh, the cold?
It hurts. It legit hurts.
Why?
Like the
Is it
the
snowing?
No, sideways. Because the wind is blowing the snow off the ground, and then it makes my eyes water. Then I can't see what the dogs are doing, and then I'm worried that my eyes are going to freeze shut.
Well, did you get the dogs back?
I think so.
Okay, that's what I was worried about. I'm okay that your eyes are not.
But it
frozen,
hurts.
But
It hurts real bad.
I just want to make my Milo Bean. He's a fragile little boy.
I don't think he likes it either.
No, he probably doesn't.
Izzy does, but he doesn't.
Well, she's a snowplow.
What's that?
I don't know.
Well, I knew that there was part of the ring gear on the reverse side, but it may be part of it.
What is it?
Huh? A piece of metal.
Just a ring?
Another chunk.
Oh, off of the tooth? Yeah.
I'm guessing this is the ring gear. So we'll see when we get it out. Yeah, these gears were trashed. Yeah, that used to just be a back tooth, but now it's missing
More metal?
front tooth on both of those. Just little chips.
Look right here. All I want for Christmas is my two front teeth. My two front teeth. Oh, I see the way it's turning. Yep.
This Jeep's been through a lot. And I'm so thankful the guys at AMW are doing the regear. All right, both front and rear carriers are completely torn down and clean, and just ready for the new gears to go on. I am so pumped. Look what arrived today. the new hood. So there you go. Getting the 392 hood. Come here. Come here. Open. I want to see. Oh, it's so shiny. Is it going to look okay in my otherwise scratched the crap up Jeep? That'll be the question. All right, now to get the graphics for the hood and put those on before the hood goes on the Jeep. I may have to go outside and grab some snow with like a little sand and rocks and stuff in it and rub those all over the hood to make it match the rest of Sully. Look. Graphics are on. I added same graphics that I had before, so this is all the topo of the Ozarks. Up here and here, my favorite camp spot's still right there.
Shout out to Sticky Vinyls for that.
Yep, sticky vinyls came through, and then added the little 425, just as a little homage to what's under the hood. 425 horsepower.
So yeah, this is the Mojave hood.
392.
Mojave.
392.
What's the difference?
Under the hood.
Oh, that's tomorrow's
It's
video.
it's not in there yet though.
Is that tomorrow's video?
Hope so.
Okay.
I don't know if it's going in tomorrow or not, but yeah.
But not like a typical 392? An AMW 392.
Exactly.
Okay.
So I thought I don't know. I thought it was going to look really, really weird without the snorkel, but I'm not really noticing it so far. So we'll see.
I've seen this thing taken apart all week. It doesn't.
that's probably it. So y'all tell us.
About the live bar.
Well, we got the brackets over there. He's going to put those on in the morning. He was working on that. But y'all, I mean, what do y'all think? Snorkel? It doesn't have the snorkel. So does it look weird? Does that really change things? Let us know. All right, well, that concludes day, what are we on? 8?
This is going home.
Yeah, that goes on the garage wall, the old hood. But he's still got to get the windshield washer stuff out of it.
And maybe wash it before you put it on the garage wall.
Oh.
Yes. Gosh.
All right, day 8 is in the books. We've got, the gears are completely torn down.
Yep.
Some more wiring got done this morning, but gears completely torn down. And so in the morning, the new gears will get installed.
Right there.
Yep, they're on the floor. And then the hood came in. The hood's what I've been most excited about this week. Well, I mean, aside from driving it, but
I was supposed to say.
the hood is what I was looking forward to most today.
Okay.
Was the hood, and the hood came in.
What are you looking forward to tomorrow?
The gears being in, and fingers crossed to get to drive it late tomorrow.
Stop.
Fingers crossed. It's possible.
I swear, y'all.
It's possible.
He won't stop.
It's possible. For sure, he said for sure Wednesday, but maybe tomorrow. So, anyway, thanks for watching. And yeah, I hope y'all are still enjoying this.
Yeah.
'Cause we're still having fun.
Oh, tonight we may get to see the Michigan, the lights,
Aurora.
the northern lights.
Yeah, maybe. Who knows? Anyway, see you tomorrow.